Hi, it's Daggy from Hot Paw Vlog. Welcome to my channel, and I'm doing things here on my own. You can say I'm a do-it-yourself mom. I'm building a voliere for quails this time, and yeah, I want to continue today, and let's do it. Yeah, Nico is with me again, as you can see. So I want to start here on, can you see it here? Yeah, now I want to start with the bars here on top. So I have to take the length here first. And yeah, I have a little bar here, a remaining bar, and I can take this one, so yeah. I have shortened the little bars here now, and now I have to put the wrangles here, and yeah, one moment. So now I made the angles here, and now comes the more difficult part because of combining it between the long bars here. Okay, I will show you when I've done it, okay? So here is a small sewed bar now. It was harder to combine than expected, but I got it. And I made it with this little helper here. Yeah. Now the next bar is this one here, coming here, and I hope I can do it, because being in a hay is not my world. So yeah, but I'm careful and I think I will make it. For this I was taking the length already, and I marked it here. You can see it here with the line, and I have to sew it now and put another ankle here. So you can, the ankles are here and the screws are over there. So, but we have to sew it first, as you can see here, this one. And this is how my little helper looks like. Sorry, this was my finger. So, yeah. So I sewed now this length, but it was too, a few millimeters too much, so I have to shorten it a little bit. It's not that easy when you have to do it without proper so that there is no grate here. And yeah, let's try it. Okay, this is confusing me here. Wants to nerve me, but it's okay. So I have to take a little more. Trying again, but we don't want to take too much. Where is it blocking now? Let's see. Okay, it's in the middle. It's in the middle. I haven't done this work for a long time, but Hopefully not with wood. This is always going away here. I don't like that. So hopefully it works now. Yeah, it's still a little bit some where it's not working. The question is, this is the sewed side from the whole length. If they have done it in the right corner, but I think so. It looks like. I will try it this way now, because it's in the middle of it. Yeah, finally it worked, that it's going inside here. I tested here because then it's the same length on top. Okay, now I want to put the angle again, and on the other side too. And then I have to get up on the ladder again. Yay! The small bar is on his place too. Yeah, now I'm doing the long one here between these two bars. And I got the length already. I made here a little line again. So let's sew it. Okay, now we have all the bars here on top already. I also made this connection here to this one. The remaining bars here on top, I have to do it later when the voliere is in her place in this corner over there and next to the wall here. So now I want to continue with the little net. A little is well done set. So with these helpers, one is already on a bar, and here with the drilling machine. So this is the kind of net I have chosen, nearly 13 centimeters, and I want to put it here on the boards with these screws here and with these holders. Yeah, let's have a look how it works. So as you can see, Nico is already waiting for me here. We finished the long side here and the back one, but it's still open here, so I decided to put some boards against the other boards so that it's getting closed. So that you can see me better, I already put my little LED lamp here inside, and now I'm really KO. And I will enjoy my evening now, and I wish you a nice evening too, or whatever you are doing now, and we will continue tomorrow, and see you then. Bye!